Hello Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube. What's simply got here is a Kranzle 110 volt machine, k2100 2001. 6.5 litres, 100 bar is this pressure washer, working at 110 volts, 16 amps. Obviously when this machine is working, it is laid down, got your high pressure outlet there, adjustable. When the machine itself finish using it, what we simply do is stand it back up again. Pressure gauge protector, a vario lance, same old thing, quality hose, gun and lance with this machine. And like I say, this machine 6.5 litres, 100 bar. Come to use it, we lay it down. Water inlet on this side here, very simple, straightforward, great solid machine again from Kranzle. Thank you very much, Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube.